Right, so here we go. Next project, an Airfix vintage classic. It is the HMS Hood. I have never ever done a boat before, so this is a first for me. 1 in 600 scale, so you can see how big the box is, and that's on a 106 scale, so 1 to 600 scale. So obviously battleships are massive, much bigger than planes. Planes normally 172 scale, so the scale's massive. The box is still massive. I imagine the boat, or the hull of the boat, will be about the length of this box. But on the side there, May 1941, that is from. So it's here, not sure if you can read it. The mould was made in 1960. The illustration was, the pack illustration was 1981, so they've gone with kind of a retro release. A little bit of history on the Hood. She was the largest warship in the world when she was launched in 1918. And then very sadly, when sailing to intercept the Bismarck in World War II in 1941, May, basically she just got hit by a salvo from the Bismarck, sank very, very quickly. Of the 1,500 crew, only 3 survived. She sunk in 2 minutes. I've always had a soft spot for the Hood, I guess because of that story. So yeah, not much else on the box. It is a skill level, where I see it, skill level 3, which will be the most challenging one I've done probably for a long time. So we'll have a little look in the box and see what an Airfix boat model looks like. Okay, lifting the lid, this is what you're confronted with, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out and open it up, and we'll have a look. Quick peek at the instruction manual first. So the usual kind of Airfix layout. Step 1, I mean 2 sides together and the hull, you're pretty much putting the ship together straight away, diving straight in. And then each step does have loads and loads of little bits with each of it. That's step 7. 8, 9, 10, lifeboats going on, and up to step 13, and then all done, and there's your paint scheme on the back. So pretty simple paint scheme. I don't really know what makes this level 3 compared to a level 1. I guess we will find out. Next thing to look at is what's in the bag. Right, contents of the bag, which was in the box, all laid out. You get 1, 2, 3 main sprues, and then there's some decking areas, and then these really, as long as the box, really long 2 hull sections that get glued together first. So some quite delicate looking pieces. Doesn't look like the best moulding. You can see like odds and ends around there that need to all be trimmed and shaved off, but that's okay. I mean, probably the worst I've seen on an Airfix kit, actually. The numbers, I don't know what it goes up to, like 130 something maybe, and they're not in order. So over here are like 40s and 100s, and there's some 10s, and then over here are the 120s and 70s. So it is a bit all mixed up, but I'm sure we'll be able to find them all eventually.